Here we've got STK Life 9, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this phone. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, go to keypad then, and let's start with the first code, which is *## 4636 #*, that's not 9 but 6, 4636 #*. And then you will be redirected to testing mode, where you can check phone information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi details. Under phone info, you will find email number, phone number, if your SIM card is included, current network, signal strength, and so on. You can also perform a ping test, just click here, and below we've got the results. Then let's open user statistics, and here you've got all apps that have been lately in use and the time of their usage, also the last time and they've been in use, all the data. And under Wi-Fi information, obviously we'll be able to reach all Wi-Fi details like Wi-Fi APA, configuration, and status. So under Wi-Fi APA, you've got all disabled and enabled network info. Then under configuration, you've got the currently configured networks. And under Wi-Fi status, you can smoothly check the current status of your network. You can also run the ping test a bit lower. And this is it. That will be all for this code. Another code that you can use here is *## 426 #*. And here we've got Google Play services, where you can check events and also status. And if you'd like to reach some further details, tap on more and click on advanced view. As you can see here, you've got way more info. Then you can switch it off. So this is it. Another code that you can input here is *## 225 ***. And here you've got the calendar info, so whenever you're interested in checking all the events, important dates, celebrations, and so on, like everything you've got in your all calendars, it's right here. So just enter this code and don't forget about any upcoming event. So let's go back. And the last code that I would like to share with you today, it's super short one, it's *## 06 #. And here you've got email numbers assigned to your phone, to this STK. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.